Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I am very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of December 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general collective energies for Aquarius, for twin flame and soulmate. So, it is not going to resonate with each of you. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of December 2021. Please give me the important messages. What are the important messages? What are the important messages for Aquarius twin flames? Wow. Please give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame. Okay. So, right now you are connected to the higher power here, Aquarius. That means your third eye is activated here and you are connected to the higher power, to the universal consciousness through your through your third eye chakra, through your crown chakra activation, because your third eye and your crown chakra is activated. So now you are connected to the higher power. Okay, now you are receiving the downloads, the messages from the higher power, from the divine, from the universe. Here I'm having imagine. So right now you are doing the manifestations here. You have all the tools to manifest anything and you are doing the manifestation here. Next message I am having is regeneration. This is the transformation energy which is here for you. Okay, so this is death and rebirth, regeneration, the transformation. Okay, so that's the energy I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see more messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Can you see there is transformation here again? So let's see messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Hope. Okay, keep your hope with you, Aquarius. Do not lose your hope. Okay, then let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Wow, universe. Okay, so this is the universe message and this is manifestation. So that means you are completing the cycle here. You're closing out the cycle here. You are ending this karmic cycle, all the cycle which you are going on, and you are starting a new beginning. Okay, so whatever you are going through right now in your life, do not lose your hope, because you are completing the cycle. Okay, you are ending a karmic cycle and you're starting a new beginning, a new cycle here. Please give me the message. Wow, I told you your third eye chakra is activated now. Can you see? Your higher power, you are connected to the higher power because your third eye chakra is activated, and now you can connect to the higher power consciousness. You can receive the downloads. Maybe now you can see the signs and number synchronicities, the angel numbers or the feathers or the butterflies or dragonflies or any other messages which you are receiving through the third eye from the higher power here, because your third eye is being activated here. Okay, so this is very powerful message here. Okay, let's see more. Any other message? Okay, any other message for Aquarius? Your scleral chakra. Lot of fiery, maybe you are feeling like lot of fiery energy right now. This lot of messages. No, I'm not going to take it. These are lot of messages. But your scleral chakra activation is also happening here. Okay, Wow, partnership and alliances. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 333 or 222, 444, 444, 333, 222 here, okay, or 202, 303, okay, that can also be a possibility here. Okay, so this is Ace of Wands. Your passion is ignited because your solar plexus chakra and your scleral chakra is being activated. So you must be feeling lot of fiery energy, lot of passion, creativity, okay, action oriented energy, confidence, your strength, because these two chakra has been activated inside of you. Your passion is ignited, that's why. And can you see 1, 2 and 3? This is the ascension in your spiritual journey. Now you are rising as an empress. You are birthing a new creation, a new idea, a new relationship, or a new you. Okay, there are a lot of partnership and alliances which are coming up for you here for in the month of December 2021. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. So do not lose hope, Aquarius. Keep your hope because you are going through a process of transformation. There's a lot of activations which are happening here. There is passionate new beginning which has been started. You are rising as an empress here. Okay, so this is very beautiful energy here, Aquarius. You are rising as an empress here, so that's very beautiful. 333, 333. Maybe you can see a lot of 333 here these days. Okay, and try to connect to the angels. Pay attention to the number synchronicities and all, because angels are trying to contact you. They are sending the messages and signs and number synchronicities. So pay attention to the signs here. Commitment. Okay, there is a commitment which is coming up for you in your soulmate journey, in your twin flame journey in the month of December 2021. Okay, please give me one more message. The silver waterfall and bottom of the deck I'm having connection. Okay, so there is a connection which is coming up for you here. Now let me read it out. This is stay balanced, happy, healthy by rising your own vibration. Okay, so you have to rise your own vibration. You can spend some time in nature here, or you can connect to the rainbow, the birds, the nature. Okay, and you must be seeing lot of butterflies, rainbow these days. That can also be a possibility here, or the birds here. Okay, so there is a commitment and a connection which is coming up for you, and this is your soulmate and twin flame reading. So this is a connection and commitment which is coming up for you in your soulmate and your twin flame journey. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver? Beautiful reading here, Aquarius. Okay, please give me one message. Wow, I told you, lot of passion is there is a lot of passion which is being activated inside of you here. Okay, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present, so enjoy it. And why this is happening? Because this is the scleral chakra activation which is happening here, and because of this you are feeling the magnetic and seductive quality. The energies of sexual energies, maybe a lot of fiery energy, the creative energy here. So that's the message I'm receiving. And the second message is life is a series of continuous shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. So just go with the flow and you will be surprised where you led. Okay, so that's why the message is that keep your hope, Aquarius. Okay, and just go with the flow, because you have to release any control if you are forcing any control, or if you are, because life is a series of continuous shifting cycles. Okay, things will come to you at according to the divine timing. Okay, now let me see one message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. Okay, please give me one message here. Reassess. You have to live your soul, not a role, and reassess your life, that whether you are living your soul or whether you are living a role. So that's the message I am receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the soul's journey. What is the lesson you need to learn in the month of December? Please give me the message. What is the soul lesson? Doubt. That's why the message is here, that you need to release the control here. I release the need to know all the answers. You need to go with the flow here, Aquarius. Okay, just go with the flow and release the doubt to need to get to know the all the answers. You will get to know the answers when the divine time will come. Okay, so wait for the divine timing here. So let me see more messages. Let me make some space here. Okay, so let me add one message from the power of love. Thank you for giving the messages. You need to release the need to know all the answers. You will get to know all the answers once the divine timing will come. So wait for the divine timing. Till the time, you have to go with the flow. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius. Empathy. You feel and understand the emotions of others in the service of love. So that's the message I'm having for you. Okay, so this is beautiful message here. Now let's see what you need to surrender. What is the thing Aquarius needs to surrender in the month of December for twin flame and soulmate reading? Okay, let me see. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the thing they need to surrender? What is the thing they need to surrender? Surrender to the silence. In quiet meditation and contemplation, let go and enter the stillness within. Silence can heal and replenish you. So you need to surrender to the silence. 0450 is the recording reading time. This is an important message. Okay, surrender to the silence. That's the thing you need to surrender here. Okay, so let me add the message from the Moonology deck. Let's see one message for Aquarius for twin flame soulmate reading. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one message. Trust all will be well. Okay, that's new moon in Virgo. Okay, trust all will be well. That means you have to trust the divine plan. Just go with the flow. Do not worry about the answers, all the answers here. That's why the message was here, that release the need to know all the answers. Okay, trust that everything will be fine, everything will be good for you, for the highest good of you. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving. Now let me add one message from the Secret New Beginnings. Daffodil Spirit is here. Sacred Forest Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the message. There is Dragonfly Spirit here. Okay, so maybe you can see dragonflies these days around yourself, or the unicorns. So if you are seeing unicorns or the dragonflies, that the meaning is that there is a change which is coming up for you. So let's see more message for my Aquarius. There is activation which is happening up for you. Again, the stillness message is here, Aquarius. Surrender to the silence, surrender to the stillness within yourself, because silence can heal and replenish you. Okay, so reflecting pool is here. You can only see your own image in the water once the water is silent or the calm. So you need to surrender to the silence. And this is Spirit Guardian of Spring. So this is lot of activations which are happening. We have already seen that there is lot of activation, lot of chakra activations which are happening for you in the month of December. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Whispers of Love. Please give me one message. Okay, I got 3 messages for you. First message for you is back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. That's why is reassess or reevaluate what you want, what feeds your soul. So you need to know that here. Okay, so that's the first message I am receiving here for you. The second message is take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. Okay, so you have to back to the love here. That's the second message I'm receiving. Okay, let me make some space here. There is no space. Okay. 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 Yeah. So next message is love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. You just need to simply acknowledge this as truth. So that's the third message which I'm receiving here for you. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the life purpose for you, Aquarius. What is the life purpose for Aquarius for the month of December? Please give me the message for Aquarius life purpose. What is the life purpose you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Okay. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Okay. So again the same message is here, Aquarius, that you have to reevaluate your desires, your heart desires, because right now the angels are supporting and guiding and protecting you as you make your dreams become reality. 0330 is a recording reading time. Okay, so you have to focus on your heart desires here. Then the second message is sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. Okay, so that's the second message. The third message is builder. Your innate ability to build and create brings a deep sense of accomplishment. So maybe you are a builder, you build homes, buildings, and so that's the third message I'm receiving here. Then the fourth message is body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, or exercise training. So you can have a life purpose around the body work here. Then the next message is study. Reading, research, and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Then this is infinite abundance. You are fully supported as you devote yourself to the divine life purpose. Okay, so you have infinite abundance, but for that you have to devote yourself fully for the divine life purpose here. Then the next message is yoga. Your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching, and exercise. So keep doing yoga because yoga is a life purpose, and by doing the yoga you are enhancing your life here. The stretching, the exercise, the yoga, these help a lot you. Okay, then the next message is children. Your life purpose involves helping, teaching, and healing children. So children are the important they are playing an important role in your life purpose. Your life purpose involves healing, teaching, and learning to the children here. Okay, then the next message is oracle cards. You are able to discern answers and guidance for yourself and for others. So some of you have the ability to read the oracle cards, the tarot cards, for yourself and even for others too. So that can be also a life purpose for you. So this is the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add message from the angels and ancestors. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one message for Aquarius. Okay. Wow. This first message is star ancestor. Follow the voice of your soul. That's the message from your angels and ancestor. Then the second message is heart guardian. Love and let yourself be loved. Okay. And the third message is shalom master. Be graceful in movement and action. And bottom of the deck, the energy is sun. Enjoy the success and the happiness. So there is a lot of beautiful happy energies which are coming up for you, because sun represents the new happy beginnings, the happiest tarot. It is the happiest tarot card message, the happiest card in the tarot deck. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the angels guide. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for Aquarius for this reading. Okay. So the first message is joy and contentment. Once you are feeling joy and contentment within yourself, you will feel joy and contentment with everywhere. Okay, so that's the first message I'm having. And let's see, where is the thing where you need healing? Where the Aquarius needs the healing? Please give me one message. Pride. The message is pride. Okay, let me read it out from the book. You may be acting out of arrogance and vanity. Humility is the key here, Aquarius. When you are prideful, you can become harsh and not conscious of your weakness. This can temporarily make you feel more powerful and superior to others, while at the same time cause you be judgmental, unteachable and hardened. Have you fighting, quarreling and disagreeing with others? Are you always trying to prove a point and defend your position? Do you think that you are always right? Be holding on to the shadow pride. You are stopping yourself from progressing mentally, emotionally and spiritually. So stop overestimating your importance and learn to be humble. When you are too proud, you cannot hear other persons and people advice and cannot receive their assistance. Empowerment means that you can be soft, caring, aware and gentle. Recognize that you need others people's support to achieve true success. So this is very beautiful message. You need to heal this pride here. Okay, let's see one message. Let's see what are the signs you are dealing with. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Okay. So you can be dealing with Libra or Gemini here. That's the air sign here. You can be dealing with any other water sign, that is Pisces, Cancer or Scorpio here. You can be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo and Taurus. And you can be dealing with any fire sign, Aries or Leo. So that was the reading for you here, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light and happy energies to all of you who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.